Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Kerr County in west central Georgia, Troup County in west central Georgia, western Coweta County in west central Georgia, northern Harris County in west central Georgia, until 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Wadowee to Sparkling Springs to Susana Crossing, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union, LaGrange, Hamilton, Franklin, Greenville, West Point, Hugginsville, Grantville, Pine Mountain, Mothersville, Centralhatchee, Moreland, Lone Oak, East Union, Corinth, Pine Mountain, Callaway Gardens, FD, Roosevelt State Park, Louise, Stovall, and Piedmont Heights. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. At 3 a.m. in Peachtree City, it was cloudy.